Hey guys, Happy New Year! I know I have been MIA for a while now. Things have been really busy with the kids, and we were out of state for a week and a half over the holidays. But I hope you guys had an awesome holiday celebration, and hopefully we all have an amazing 2018. So here's a video that I filmed late last year and just now getting around to editing it. Stay tuned for my first Chanel Pre-Loved flap bag and enjoy! Hey guys, so I am back again. This video is going to be a reveal of my first Chanel purse. I bought this one off of the Chanel Addicted group in Facebook, and this is actually a vintage piece. I knew beforehand that I wasn't gonna buy a brand new bag or a newer bag. I already was set on buying a vintage bag. I just wanted to have a feel of the Chanel, how I like it. But although this is a vintage piece, it is still very pricey. But I just didn't want to invest yet on something really expensive before trying it out and see how I love the bag. So I could not be happier with this purchase. I actually had some things altered with the bag. I had it done with leather surgeons. I know a lot of people have been raving about it. So I went with them and I couldn't be happier with the results. So this video is gonna talk about two things: the reveal of my new to me Chanel purse. This is a vintage bag, and also my experience with leather surgeons. So let us go right ahead with the reveal. So let me just show you guys first the purse that I got, and then later on let's talk about the experience I had with leather surgeons. So here is the bag that I got. So like I said, this is a vintage piece. This is the Chanel Black Vintage Paris Classic Flap. This is the one with the silver and the gold hardware, and it has this twist lock that opens like so. And this is the one with the double flap, and I actually put a towel in there to fill the bag. And here is how the inside looks like. So let me do the measurements of the bag. I have a ruler in here. So this is actually 8.5 inches across, and the height is 6 inches, and the width is around 2 inches from. I could not be happier with this bag. It is vintage, so you see a lot of wear on this bag. Say for example, the back part, it is not as puffy as the front, and there's a lot of dents. I really didn't care so much. I didn't want to baby the bag. I want to just be able to wear it anytime I want or anywhere I want without worrying about being scratched, being dented or whatnot. So that's why I knew my first one was going to be a vintage bag. And when I saw this one, I really loved it because it had the double straps. Unlike the rectangular mini, it only has 2 holes, whereas this one has 4 holes. So I can wear it like so, or a crossbody bag with a longer strap. I was really surprised with this small bag because this one comes with a back pocket, and also it comes with a slip pocket in the back of the first flap, and then you open this up like this, you get another slip pocket in here, and then inside it has the zipper compartment and also the 2 pockets inside. So with how much I paid for this bag and the condition of the bag, I am very, very happy with this one because there are no rips, and the inner pocket does not have any stickiness whatsoever. So it is really very clean and well taken care of, considering this bag is more than 24 years old, if I'm not mistaken, or around the 20-ish years. So I knew when I bought this bag that it was going to go through the spa service of leather surgeons, and Also, I found out from looking through the pictures of the listing, the snap button in here was cracked. Although the seller said it wasn't gonna take away from the functionality of the bag, I have decided to get it replaced by leather surgeons. And also, this bag could not be used as a crossbody because the length of the strap was only good for like a shoulder bag. Almost like the small classic flap where you can't really use it as a crossbody bag. So I knew beforehand that I was also gonna get it done. I wanted the chains replaced to a longer chain that I can use it for a crossbody bag. So I had the chains done. I will insert some pictures wearing it as a crossbody. I am really happy with the results, and also the snap replacement, the leather surgeons did replace it, so I'm really happy with that. As the snap replacement says Chanel Paris. So for you guys who are interested on the process that I went through with leather surgeons, so first what I did was I sent them pictures of the listing. I took it from the seller, and before I got the bag, I sent it out to them and asked them how much the spa service was going to be, and they got back to me very fast, and they gave me a quote of the spa service. And after that, when I found out that the snap button was actually broken, I told them that I needed it replaced as well, and also the straps. So the total quote that they gave me was $430 for the spa service, for the chain replacement, and also the snap of the second flap that had a crack. So after the quote, I told them I wanted to go through with everything. So what they did was they referred me to one of their other staff. I can't remember his name, but they referred me to him, and he sent me the label that I was gonna use for me to ship the item to them. So I packaged my bag carefully. I made sure there was a lot of cushion in the box, and I sent it out to them. I think they received it the next day or 2 days after, I can't remember, but they confirmed with me that they received the item. After they confirmed that they have received the item, I have not heard from them since, until they told me that the bag was done and they were gonna ship it back to me. I was really surprised because that day, it was in the afternoon that they told me that the bag was done, and they actually shipped it to me overnight, and I actually received it the next day. I was pretty stoked and pretty happy with that. And when I received the bag, it was beautifully packaged. There was a lot of cushion, and of course it came with the leather surgeon's authenticity certificate. It was signed by Mr. Jerry Gallagher himself, who is the founder and the owner of Leather Surgeons. It is actually sealed and signed by Mr. Jerry Gallagher. And also with that, they told me to send the bag without the authenticity card and also without the dust bag. And when they shipped it back to me, it came with their own dust bag that says here Leather Surgeons, with their insignia in here. So I was very happy with dealing with Leather Surgeons and also the results of the work that they have done on the bag. I am very satisfied with their work. In the future, if I ever get another vintage bag, I will for sure consider them. I'm very happy that I did the replacement of the straps that would fit me as a crossbody. So yeah, this first purchase is actually my birthday gift for myself, and I couldn't be happier. It is the best $430 that I spent. I hope you guys enjoyed the reveal of my first Chanel purchase, which is a vintage Paris classic flap. The size of this one is just perfect for me since I am really not a huge bag girl. So yeah, that was it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it with me, and if you have any questions with the transaction that I had with leather surgeons, put it in the comments down below and I will definitely get back with you guys as soon as I can. So yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!